welcome to the animal party. We're gonna do it all party. Gonna have an animal party. Okay, hey guys, it's me, Lucas, and today we're having an animal party. It's just me today, yeah. Now, I've got my pet here, Lion.
Ooh, got it.
Shh. Okay, yeah, sorry, she's just in the background playing with her stuff. And she's in my room. Please, can you please get out of my room? You just ruined the video. I'm sorry guys about that. So we're having an animal party. This is my weapon, the bunny. Looks strong, doesn't it? Thank you. And this guy, you know him. If you see, if you want to see that video of me with the slushy stuff, got this guy. Just go see him. It's really awesome. Just type in funny things with slushy with chill factor, and it will come up from me. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry about that, guys. Now this animal party is about to begin. Animal party, doing it with the Artie. Artie animal party. Artie animal party. We're gonna do it with the rap beat. Do it in that beat. Gonna have fun with my mum. Yeah, animal party, party. Yeah, animal party, party. Gonna have fun.
I need to get past.
Gonna have fun with my mum.
Woo!
Woo!
Ow, ow, Lucas.
Woo! Woo! Animal party, yeah. Got an animal party. Party. Gonna do fun with the animal party. Gonna go fun with the animal party. Raw. Gonna go saw. Raw. Gonna go saw. Animal party. Animal.